Ever wondered how to start investing in your 20s? Well, you're not alone. Many are daunted by the prospect, but investing doesn't have to be complicated. It's a crucial step in financial growth. Today, we're going to break down the process of investing into simple, easy-to-understand steps. So why start investing in your 20s? Well, it's all about the magic of compounding. The earlier you invest, the more time your money has to multiply. Plus, being young allows you to take on more risk for potentially higher returns. The earlier you start investing, the more time you give your money to grow. Now that we understand why it's crucial to start in your 20s, how do we actually start investing? Well, it's a journey broken down into manageable steps. First, you need to start saving money. Even small amounts make a difference. The aim is to create a little nest egg that you're willing to invest. Next, take time to research different types of investments. Stocks, bonds, real estate. There's a whole world out there. Find out what resonates with you. Educate yourself about the benefits and risks of each type. Finally, make your first investment. It's okay if it's small. It's your first step into the investing world. Remember, the key is to start small and gradually increase your investments as you gain confidence and knowledge. Before we wrap up, here are some key points to remember when starting your investment journey. Start early, grasp the balance of risk and reward, diversify your portfolio, and never stop learning about investing. Investing in your 20s might seem daunting, but with these simple steps, you're well on your way to financial freedom. Remember, the best time to start investing was yesterday. The next best time is now.